Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another phone theme and I'm super excited because this is a holiday phone theme. I love this holiday season, but I would like to share with you guys what phone themes I found and wallpapers for free, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. Alright, so here is the theme, and that is the creator. This is a more simple, modern theme, I would say. I really enjoyed the simplicity, yet the holiday festivity that it had. It just has a lot of super cute holiday pictures, such as snowman, wreath. We got little reindeer, snowflakes, and just a lot of cute stuff, and a white background. So I really enjoy that, and this is how it looks like. So our folders are red and green. So that's super cute. And then our emojis our icons, whoa, are really nice. And this is just a glimpse. Ooh, that's super cute. I love when they put the image and they color coordinate with the themes. And then this is the calendar, just the same, a red and kind of like a light green color. So this is how the keyboard looks like, and when you type it turns red. Super creative, super cute. This is how the lock screen looks like. So we just have the same pictures just coming down from the top and all the way to the bottom. I really like this lock screen, and let's check the always on display. Okay, so we just have super cute little snowman and tree and gifts and snowflakes as well. And then when I swipe for the iris, oh yes, it's super pretty as well. So we just have super festive iris scanner. I love that. Now here I will be showing you guys a free animated wallpaper. So this is free. It was $1, and I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. So pretty much it's super quick. It's just reindeer with snow and snowman and Santa Claus just kind of like passing by the top, and there's like little snowflakes falling. So I love this one, and I feel like it would look really good with this theme right here. As you can see, it still stays the same theme, except with this wallpaper instead of the other one, which I think is super cute. So I really enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!